Okay, let's create a one balloon carrot. We need balloon with this size. Let's say 7 inches area with which is inflated. That's it. Now we need an inflated two balloons here. Okay, first step, create a tulip twist like this. A large tulip twist for our carrots like this. Now just put this one here inside of our carrot. Just like this. Now twist this middle part so that it will become more secure. That's it. We have an instant carrot. All right. Instant carrot. Here we go. Thank you so much.